Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Terisha. If you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a power hour clean with me, and we're doing a collaboration with some lovely ladies here on YouTube, hosted by my dear friend Jackie from Heart and Apron. We'll be doing a Christmas pajama power hour clean with me, and what that means is we're going to set the clock to 60 minutes and see how much we can get done within that 60 minutes. So if you're new here again, welcome. My name is Terisha. I am a wife and mom of two beautiful girls, a 4-year-old and a 5-month-old, and they take up all my time, basically. On this channel, you'll find tons of cleaning motivation, cooking, grocery haul. So if you are a fan of that, definitely stick around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Like, hit that bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a video. So let's get I'm gonna leave a link in the description box with the ladies channel and the playlist with their channel, so you can head on over. When you're finished with this video, you can head on over to the playlist and check out the other ladies video, and be sure to let them know that I sent you there. Thank you so much. I'm just going to try and clean the living area within the 60 minutes. We recently went shopping late last night and I didn't get to put everything away, and this is just a catch-all area. I'm setting my clock to 60 minutes now, and let's see how much I get done, if I get everything done on time. And I like to start in the kitchen because the kitchen is where, well, for me, it's the most dirtiest all the time. I like to start the dishes first and just get that out of the way, get it clean. As you can see, I have a full sink, so I like to start off with doing the dishes first and then work my way through.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, but you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. All the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. Oh, nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. I'm feeling selfish, I never want you to share it. We be right in the same wave. All the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. How come, baby, kiss my lips? Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. What you think of, baby? You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. I never had a love so
if you are new here, I would love to know, tell me something fun about you. Like, what do you guys enjoy cleaning the most?
Drink juice from the sweetest berries and dance the night away. Count stars in the sky while the clouds roll by us. More clouds just to elevate. Hold hands when we need protection. Break bones but we always blend them. Every heartbreak is a lesson. Let it go, don't be afraid. Find my love, don't lose it. Kiss my tears with music. Find my love, don't lose it. Lie in the dark, but I'm always blowing. Fill suitcases up and fly across the seas. Not a thing belongs to us. Even the air we breathe. Deep talks in the car while the world is sleeping. Bare feet on the ground while my mind stays dreaming. Find my love, don't lose it. Kiss my tears with music. Yeah. Find my love, don't lose it. Lie in the dark, but I'm always blue. Lay in the dark. Find my love, don't lose it. Kiss my tears with music. Find my love, don't lose it. Yeah. Find my love, don't you lose it. Kiss my tears. Find my love, don't lose it. Lie in the dark, but I'm always blue. Lay in the dark. I feel the rain coming down right now. Finally feel alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out. Cause I'm on one every time I feel that power. And yeah, so what? I made some bad mistakes, but I've been the same ever since you called my name. And I feel the change all the way down in my soul. Now when I feel weak, you say I'm okay. You saw me dressed in diamonds. What we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. I done had it all, but ain't nothing else like this, like this. Ain't nothing else like this. All my money made me wanna give it to you. Raise my hands, boy, you got that hallelujah. Search until you find it. Say it's in the timing, timing. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous.
I was alone, stuck in my ways. You came along, just like a saint. I was on lockdown. But the whole time you had the keys. I don't know what it is you're doing to me. I was lost before, but baby, now I see. Cause then you are looking at me and I'm looking at you. Looking at us and I'm thinking that we got something good, and I know that there's nothing that's coming between us. No, nothing at all. And we can call it love and whatever they want.
I got 8 minutes on the clock, and I got all this left to do. I just got this to do. So I'm gonna get this done.
I call it right, I call it right.
Trust and diamonds, what we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. I done had it all, but ain't nothing else like this, like this. Ain't nothing else like this. All my money made me wanna give it to you. Make my hands, boy, you got that hallelujah. Search until you find it. Say it's in the time it. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous.
I didn't get too far, so the only thing I have left to do is vacuum here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and vacuum it, and then that should be it.
Somewhere a million miles away. You look like you wanna try the same. I love this. When in the tide in the morning, a beautiful breeze. Lay right under the sun, it's 100 degrees. Follow me to waters crystal clear. You and I like to lay low.
So guys, my next video will be a kitchen deep clean. Like I need to reorganize the cabinets, and I need to do under the bathroom sink and underneath the sink, that everything, the entire cabinets throughout the entire house. So stick around for that. So guys, you've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. As you can see, I did not make it. I went over the hour, but I'm exhausted. That was a lot. So we'll close out now and go to bed. No, I need a shower. I need a hot shower and then bed. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.